Welcome to my channel Books in Minutes. Today we are going to study a very important book of Napoleon Hill. The name of the book is Think and Grow Rich. Why we choose this book? Because Napoleon Hill was a famous author who studied successful people and shared their secrets in Think and Grow Rich. Why we choose this book? This book is valuable because it teaches us that success begins with our thoughts, and with the right mindset and actions anyone can achieve their goals. So we are going to understand the key ideas of this whole book. So first of all, the first key idea is desire. Desire is the starting point of all achievement. This is not just a wish, it is a burning obsession with a clear goal. Many people say, I want to be successful, but they don't define. For example, what they don't define is how much, by when, and how will I achieve it. He says a real desire must be, Hill says a real desire must be specific, emotional, and urgent. The example of this is, if I can say that I will earn $5 lakh within 2 years by starting some business, so why it matters? Gives you when desire gives you attention, direction, and energy. Without it, you lose focus easily. Second one is faith. Believe in yourself and your God. Faith means complete confidence that you will succeed even before you see results. According to Napoleon Hill, your mind believes what you repeat and feel strongly. Once you believe it, you act with confidence. So repetition and belief is very important. The next third major idea and key idea of this book is autosuggestion, programming of your mind. This means repeating positive statements to influence your subconscious mind. Means you repeat the positive statements in order to influence your subconscious mind. You tell story yourself daily about your goal, your plan, and your belief. Why it matters? Because your subconscious controls habits, decisions, and confidence. So you must feed it the right thoughts. Fourth key idea is specialized knowledge, means practical learning. General knowledge is not enough for success. You need specific knowledge related to your goal. If you want a YouTube channel learning video editing, learn storytelling, learn audience psychology. Why it matters? Because knowledge becomes power only when it is focused plus applied. Fifth key idea is mastermind alliance, means power of people. This means working with like-minded, intelligent, and sportive people. This improved your mindset. Hill believed two minds working together create a third strong mind. Example, discuss ideas with friends, learn from mentors, and collaborate with the professionals. Why it matters? Because you grow faster when you share ideas, get feedback, and you stay motivated. Persistence is the sixth key idea of this book, Think and Grow Rich. Persistence means never giving up. Persistence is the ability to keep going despite failure, delay, or difficulty. Most people try once, then fails, and then quit. But successful people fail, learn, and then try again. Seventh key idea is the power of thought turning ideas into reality. Everything starts as an idea in the mind. Hill's core message is thoughts are things. Napoleon Hill states this in this book, that thoughts are things. When you think clearly and believe strongly and act consistently, your ideas become real results. Why it matters? Your mind is like a factory. Negative thoughts means negative results. Positive thoughts mean positive results. Thank you very much for listening, and this is all about the book Think and Grow Rich.